Ring once, hang up the phone to let me know you made it home. Don't want nothing to be wrong with part-time lover. If she's with me, I'll blink the lights to let you know tonight's the night for me and you, my part-time lover. We are undercover, passion on the run, chasing love up against the sun. We are strangers by the day, lovers by night. Knowing it's so wrong, but feeling it's so right. Hi, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Part-Time Lover by Stevie Wonder. Such a cool song. We're doing it 1/2 step lower than the original, so if you want to play along with the original, just put a capo on the first fret, but in this tutorial we're doing it without a capo, right? High G string ukulele, grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Okay, let's start with the groove. The rhythm of the bass is something like pa 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 da pa 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 da pa. So we will integrate this in the strumming pattern, so even on one ukulele we can get as close to the original song as possible. So let's try this on the first chord, which is A minor 7, and it's all the strings open, so this would be easy, I guess. And also we'll be muting the strings after every strum. I'm just putting my fingers on top of the strings without pressing. And we are doing down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Okay, something like this. It's specific that this song has a lot of transitioning chords. In the second bar, actually, we're going through G very quickly, and after that to F major 7. So slowly it is something like here E minor 7, okay, and then to D minor, to E minor 7, and here I'm playing this open G string and then hammering on the second fret. Okay, so this is the main part, and we have 3 different types of ending it. In the intro, the last bar is split between D minor and E minor 7. All right, so let's slowly go through the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring once, and here we go to the verse, which is basically the same part, just we're repeating it once, and the last bar is just keeping A minor 7, and the second time before going to the next part we're doing this G minor 7 this time to C9 very quickly, but let's slowly go through the verse. And I suggest you do the song very slowly in the beginning, so you can teach your fingers how to do the fast transition chords, all right? So call up, ring once, hang up the phone to let me know you made it home. Don't want nothing to be wrong with part-time lover. If she's with me, I'll blink the lights to let you know tonight's the night for me and you, my part-time lover. We are, and here we go to the chorus. undercover passion on the run. F to C. And here D minor. Chasing love up against the... And here this is the most complicated part of the whole song. We have very quickly E minor to F sharp minor 7 flat 5 to G to A minor. Okay? So we are. Okay, so if we count it, it's something like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Alright, this is definitely the most challenging part of the song, but it's the coolest, so spend your time on it, teach your fingers how to do that, and it'll be pretty cool. We are undercover passion on the run, chasing love up against the sun. We are strangers by the day, lovers by night, knowing it's so wrong. Here we have D minor 6, but feeling it's alright, to E7 suspended. And we get back to the next verse. So let's go through the whole thing, but slower. We are undercover passion on the run, chasing love up against the sun. We are strangers by the day, lovers by night, knowing it's so wrong, feeling it's so right. This sums up the whole song. It will be easier to learn it if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it in the link in the description. Definitely spend your time on these fast chord changes. Try them slower at first and little by little speed up the tempo. Let me know which is your favorite Stevie Wonder song in the comments below, and if I have not done it yet, probably I'll do it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one.